Here's another Specialty Mustang in a unique Specialty and Classics. This particular one is a 2008 Saleen Dan Gurney edition. This replicates the car Dan Gurney would have driven in the 1969 Trans Am Championships. Vista Blue metallic with the white C stripe on the side. You can see his number 2. FYI, that is a magnetic numeral or rondelle gumball on there, so those will come off. They're on each door, and then the little AAR insignia is also a magnet. So those would come off. I got pictures of it both ways on our website, and tell you where to see that in a little bit. Now, this particular car is number 66 out of a total of 68 made. You're going to see sometimes where they say there was 300 of them. They planned on making 103 different colors. It didn't happen that way back in 2008. Of course, the economy was not all it was cracked up to be, and they did not make and sell as many of these as they originally thought. This is actually one of 37 in Vista Blue and one of 68 total cars, actually number 66. 68 total cars made. As you can see, the white chin spoiler with the racing look. Fog lights, the hood latches with cables, custom white graphics on this one. Now, if you want to check out the still pictures, so you can see underneath the hood, check out the engine bay, check out the underside of this car, interior, trunk, go ahead and check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. You can click on that. That's going to take you right there. Of course, you can call us too, 507-386-1726. Be happy to answer any questions you may have on this. You will find some very light rock chips up on the hood. I kind of tried to show those in the pictures. It's tough to get them all to show up. They are minute, but there's some real tiny ones, if you can kind of see that. There's a few in the hood. This car's got approximately 25,000. We'll look at the exact mileage when I get around to the inside and we check that out. Of course, underneath the hood in this, 4.6 liter supercharged V8 was rated from Saleen at 465 horsepower. That would have been at the crankshaft. This car has an SCT tune done to it, and it has been dynoed and has put down just shy of 400 to the rear wheels. 5-speed manual transmission paired up with that engine. Of course, all the options: power steering, power brakes, AC. So this car will get up and scoot. Now, as far as the suspension on it, it would have the Saleen Racecraft suspension and the Watts Link, the 2nd gen rear end to it. It also would have a 373 gear max grip limited slip differential in it. The gray Heritage Edition wheels with the little Dan Gurney logo with the eagle. Of course, Dan Gurney was a renowned race car driver. Dash is also signed. We'll get around to the other side. You'll be able to see it. It's in between those two vents. We have kind of a two-tone interior with the leather and suede. Dan Gurney insignia on the headrest also. Interior is also in nice shape. Lots of times in the 7 and 8 Mustangs, those door panels, that inlay will start to come loose. Both look good on this one. The only option that you could have done with this car from Saleen were the rear window louvers. This one does have that option, and you can see that on the window sticker that is also included in the pictures. About $58,000 and some odd dollars this would have listed from Saleen back in 2008. The dual exhaust, of course, the trademark 3 taillights on each side. Clean Carfax on this car, no accidents indicated. As you can see, everything lines up nice. It doesn't appear to be any major dings, dents, anything like that in it. Let's go ahead and check out this interior, get the exact miles, and we'll fire this up. Driven this car a few miles. Very fun car to drive with the way the suspension is set up on these. They will corner, they'll handle, and they're quick. Saleen floor mats. There are extra floor mats in the trunk, just regular Ford ones, FYI, and there's pictures of all that also. There's also a Dan Gurney sign, the dyno sheet with the horsepower and torque and everything on it. Let's go ahead and fire this up so you can see it. We'll check out the exact miles. That's where Dan Gurney's signature is, below the boost gauge. And temp gauge for intercooler. Saleen gauges, there's your miles, 26,584. Dash all in nice shape. Still has the Ford audio system. Of course, there's your 5-speed short throw shifter. AC blows cold. One thing the previous owner did is kind of blued out the lights, so it's more of a blue highlighted in here, which is kind of cool with the color and everything of the car. The trunk is the same way. So the car has a nice little rumble to it. It's nothing outrageous, too crazy, but when you get on it, it does make some noise. Like I said, it is a quick car, considering this is a 2008 model. It does also have the sequential tail lights. I'm going to go around, unhook these hood pins, and we'll get this hood popped open so you can check out the engine bay. It looks pretty nice underneath there. So I'm going to pause this a second, and let's check out the engine bay. Alright, there we go. Got the hood popped. As you can see, hood liner very clean. No salt or debris or anything like that under there. This car has not been driven in any sort of climate weather. There's your Supercharged 4.6 liter. Very smooth running engine. You can hear that supercharger whine a little bit. Gets a little more under throttle. Great sounding engine. Little custom paint work done up here. Above the radiator, filler panel. Also has had Ford racing valve covers installed. The blue ones, get rid of those stock, ugly aluminum oxidized ones that they would have came with. If you know Mustangs, you know what I'm talking about. Back here is the plaque. Tells you all about the numbers, the build, the VIN, the date, all of that stuff. And that is in the still picture. I have all the plaques, any of that stuff, all in the still pictures. One other thing that I wanted to mention, I was talking about this, it does have Bridgestones that have been put on it. Tires are in good shape on this car. And again, that puts down just shy of 400 horse. Check out the dyno sheet on it. That's in the still pictures. So once again, the still pictures can be seen at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. Our phone number, 507-386-1726. If you'd like to give us a call on this one. Now, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist you with getting this car transported to where you're located. So give us a call. We look forward to hearing from you.